Okay, what you're looking at is the Welch Allyn, the latest and greatest USB high-tech control board. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Show that how that's done. Nice and simple. Go ahead and open it up, and this is the way that the inside of it looks. Okay, and there's the nice packaging as it sits, and like always, we take out the products, put them on the counter, nice and neat, and lay it out there. Get yourself a little bit organized. There's the roundabout. Okay, let's see if I can sit this down and pull it out for you. Okay, now we pulled it out of the box, and you'll notice that we have it sitting nice and securely on the counter. There is the packaging material. As it goes, it wraps around. You unpull it, pull it open. There you go. These are the connectors. Nice little pack here. And this is basically what you're looking at. Now, inside this box here, not this one, but in this one, you have all of the accessories. The DVD, videos. The way we're doing this is that we're making sure the customer keeps all of that in a nice secure place. And if you notice, this is all the packaging. This right here is the battery for this particular unit. It's a lithium rechargeable, and it is the battery in case the power goes out on this particular model. Okay, and that is found and located on the back. And I'll try to do that carefully. Notice on the back of this unit right here, right there is the battery connector. Battery goes in and locks into place. Super simple. Okay, now we're going to do the installation, and we're going to show you how to put this onto that. Okay, on this particular wall in this particular room, there are metal studs. We are using our metal stud finder to locate the studs. And we have basically one right here. Okay, so we're going to mark that. Okay, I need something better to mark it with. Alright, we're going to go ahead and mark it again, just to say where our studs are. And we know that we have because of that great thing, we have a stud right there, which is really good. Okay, and it looks like in this wall it's 16 on center, so 16 inches from point to point. And I think we'll probably find another one over here. There you go. So now you have another one right in this area. Sometimes they stick, sometimes they don't. Okay, so we made 2 marks on the wall. Now, what we've done is we've determined, based on what the customer wants and the height, we've got 65.5 inches, and we're going to put the unit right across the top right here. So right there, you're going to have a inch gap. So we're going to go ahead and measure it, and I'm going to bring the bottom of that particular unit right there across the top, and it's going to go like this. And I'll do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, we measured our 65.5, and that's on center to here. Okay, now there isn't a stud there, but we're going to use that as a marker, and here's our other points over here, and our other stud is right there. So we have 2 studs, a stud here and a stud here, which is really good for that spot. Okay, and like I said, we're going to go right above that. So 65.5, that's our lower point. So what we have here is the bracket. Notice the bracket has the upper lip. You notice that? Okay, we're going to set that right down over the line. Okay, so we know that's 65.5. We know that we have studs on right there, and we have a stud right here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and screw that in. Okay, we have the bracket installed. This screw is a sheet metal screw, so it goes through the drywall and it self taps into the metal. It's a little difficult to do, but you can do it. Okay, now what we got, since we have just one screw in here, we're going to use the level. And we're going to make sure it's level. And we're a little high on this side, so we're going to tap it to bring it down just a skosh. and that's level. Okay, so now we're going to go into the next stud, and we're going to screw it in, and the next thing is the wall hanging. And there you have it, right at 63, beautiful, nice half-inch above here. It's going to be different in every instance, but the for this particular, the Welch Allyn people are telling us to set the bottom bracket, which was back here, at 63 inches, and we put it at 65.5 in order to clear this and have it centered into the wall. Originally we were thinking about having it off to the left or right, but it just doesn't work that way. This is the best setup, and there you have it. So now what we're going to do is going to plug in the accessories. They're pretty simple, and I'll go through that in a minute. This is one of the wall hangings that goes underneath. Okay, it goes right here, and this is for the blood pressure and a couple other accessories that go right underneath. So we're also going to hang that.
And with the final walkthrough, what you're looking at is the Welch Allyn Connects system completely installed and integrated. We're showing you just a close-up of some of the things that we put in there, and then a final picture of the completed assembly. It's a great unit. Enjoy.